ya Narok ni yumirite kuhurana na njohi thumu na njira ya kwambiriria gikundi kiria kina borithi, athuri a ituura na maabitha a National Government Administrative ngao niguo kuhurana na kunina njohi thumu kauntiini iyo.
We have all agreed that this exercise on crackdown and war on outlets, bars and joints, and also maybe chemists and agro-feds, pharmacies that could be, dispensing, drugs that are not meant to be dispensed to people who are not actually having maybe ailments. These are places are actually will be closed.
Komishona wa kaunti iyo kipkech lotiatia niaugite niagutongoria gikundi kiu aria mariceeraga matuura maria mena waganu wa kuendia njohi thumu. Niathite na mbere na kuga hatire ugutiganirio na thutha Mbaara-ini iyo kuona ati aingi a ene irabu icio ni borithi na atongoria anene thirikari-ini. Niaugite no aria mena marua kurigana na watho magwitikirio kuruta wira.
If they are not licensed, and again, if they are licensed, they are licensed, and are not actually in line with the alcoholic drinks acts or Nakada acts, then like knife violation of those acts, maybe their situation is situated in a place where they are not supposed to be situated. For example, schools, learning institutions, residential areas, worship places, then we will tackle on them. We will definitely not leave any stone unturned in as far as that crackdown is concerned. All of this joins shut down.
Mushirithania Gitonga Muranga niaugite ni makwambia mutaratara wa gukanja marua ma andu aria marathi mukana na watho.
We are going to pursue an aspect of cancellation of licenses where persons are acting in breach of those licenses or acting in a manner that is not is not adhering to the license that they were given. This is the only way we can be able to impact the pocket of these persons who